Hello friends, many a times it happens that when you download a cracked program or software for your PC that is actually paid, but you do not want to, or you can't buy the whole software by paying money, so you download a cracked version. Now many of these programs usually utilize a technique in which every time the program connects to internet, it will verify whether the registered key is actually registered and you have actually legally brought it or not. So that's when this trick comes handy. You can block the internet access of that software very easily, and after that it won't connect to the internet. Even if you use internet on your PC or laptop, the program won't be able to access the internet, and you can block the internet access of that program. So let's get into this right away. So what you have to first do is that you have the Windows logo. So right click on the Windows logo and go to the control panel. Okay, so in the control panel you will see many options. So go to the search control panel option and you have to go into the firewall. So I will type fire. So here we can see the Windows firewall option is there. So in the Windows firewall, go to the advanced settings. So you can see a big new window has opened up. Now in this you will see there are many options on the whole screen. So you can see on the left side of the advanced options there are options such as Windows firewall with advanced inbound rules, outbound rules, connection security rules, and monitoring. So here you want to select the outbound rules. So after selecting the outbound rules, uh, it will load up all the rules that are pre set by your operating system and all the programs that you have installed in it. Now there is no such rule to prevent the internet access to any of the program by default, so you have to create it. So you can see here on the right side there are many set of options in the output rules, that is new rule, filter by profile, filter by state. So not everything is useful, you just have to click on the new rule. So after clicking on the new rule, again a new window will pop up. Wait, just let it pop up. So here you can see the rule type. So in this you can configure all the rules that you have to configure in order to that you have to set to block the internet access. So here let it be everything as it is, and you may have to make sure that you have selected the program option on the first, the port and predefined the port, or the predefined option is basically for the in-depth software or the hardware side. So we will not go into the side now. So just select program by default and click next. After clicking next, there will be all programs and this program path. So make sure you don't click on the all programs. If you click on the all programs, it will block the internet access of all programs, and it will be very difficult for you to again start the internet access to the program. So select this program path and select the browse option. If you know the program path, you can directly put in the path, else select the browse path and go to the program that you want to block. Now I have my program stored in local disk C. It will be most probably in the program files, but I think yes, it is on the outside. So I have to block the internet access of the software called Filmora, cause I have got a cracked version of it and I don't want it to verify the key with its servers. So here you can see application is written. So select the option and you can see here the program path of the Filmora has appeared. So any program you choose to block the access, the path will appear here. After this, click the next button, and once you have clicked the next button here, you can see the options. Allow the connection if it is secure. That allow the connection is the basic option. That means yes, straight away allow the connection. And allow the connection if secure means you have to each time it will verify with the internet connection if your IP is secured or it is just open. And block, the third option is block the connection. So you have to select the block the connection option and press the next. In the next, there will be three options called a domain. This option will only apply when you are working with a network of computers, that is a corporate domain of computers. And the private means when your laptop or PC is connected to a private network such as home or workplace, and public applies when a computer is connected to a public network, that is public Wi-Fi or public internet connection, anything of that sort. So you have to make sure that you select all three options, so it will block all the internet access, and select next. Now you have to type in the name. So I will just type in the name, no net Filmora, and in the description, it is optional, you can select anything that uh, it will block access of Filmora. Okay, so that's it, and you can select the finish button. Now after you have finished, you can see that the you can say that the first screen of the outbound rules, you can see the no net Filmora is here present right away on the top. So here now you can see on the right side that there are many options, that disable rule, cut rule, copy rule, delete rule, and so you can do it with any programs. And now basically the all thing is done and you are ready. So the internet access to the program you wanted to do, you wanted to block, is actually blocked. So that was it. That was the short tutorial. If you like the video, please press the like button and also share the video to anyone who is going through the issue, and subscribe to the channel, cause same such videos are going to come real soon. So thank you.